mom here in Greenwich, Connecticut, came to see this beautiful house. I guess it's modern, they can call that. And if they can see with their far away, it's tall, the wall. The window, behind the window, is I can see white, and they call like lime, because the people that live in the house, they say they have a water inside. So I'm thinking it's a problem right there, and it's pretty tall. We put the car here in order me to go in the top. So after I get there, I show you what is the problem, and I explain to you what I want to go here first to reach over there. I forgot to say something to everybody, and then you know more about me. I used to have fear to the altitude, and also have vertigo. But I did it last year, and after that, now I'm more confident, and I'm not thinking about my fear. I think about the job, white, and it's the lime. I guess that all these, because we think the water, because it's the cement or something go here, they break, so the water go in and the lime start coming in, you know. Okay, got it. Everybody see it? I have my bag. I touch with my ladder, so now I have my my tools to work. I try to look where does the water go inside, because I can see inside of the house through the other side. The wood is rather like the stain, and I can see it. I can see here, like it's open right there, and here. I was thinking there's a problem because the waters go inside. I can see, guys, another place that I see is open is right here under the metal. See, I think the waters go through here, but the caulking they put here before, they break with time, you know. And that's the reason. I guess the water go in, and see the wood is rather. Okay. The only reason I remove this to find the problem, to see if this is it. But you don't have to remove. I have a special material. There's work everywhere, in any place. It's really, really amazing. That's why only I need to find the problem is, and then I can go on top of these. Okay, it's not a big problem. But I don't know if you guys, you can see it. There's a hole here, and I'm thinking the water go, because all inside is rather the wood inside. So I see the hole over here, and also here in the corner of this. And I was thinking, but to make sure everything is gonna be sealed, I gonna cover the whole window, and to prevent any more problems in the future. And I want to start working in my preparation. This part that the water sit down is like a algae, okay? So I want to remove that too, to make it very nice. Well, first I already cut my fleece, because it's gonna be kind of hard to get everything here in the top. So I cut my fleece first, and then I need to apply my Turbo Polyb Seal. That's material I'm using. It's amazing. And then you can see what is next. Didn't work for you. That's important. The fleece is this a piece of material, of fabric, and polyester. Okay, and find the problem. After that, preparation, and that's the most time they take. not to do the job, honestly. It's easy. When I buy the material, Turbo Polyb Seal, they come with a fleece, okay? Another thing I want to mention is glass, tomato, and cement. Everything is the same, and they work perfectly because that material, like I said, they stick and is flexible to any of these three type of different areas or materials. Is work perfectly. I need to remove only my tape and. I put my tape. You see how clean it is and nice. To me, please, I want to hear from you guys. Until now, next time. Adios.